so why will you pursue a forex trading business? Because ang dami pong negosyo na pwede mong pasukan right now, no? Online business, e-commerce, dropshipping, online business, or traditional business like food cart, no? Or putting up your own business, your own brand. So marami ka pong possible pwedeng kita yung business. But why forex trading? And in this environment right now dahil po naka-pandemic ang buong mundo. So these are my reasons. That's why I am endorsing forex trading to people because these are my reasons. So I don't have office or any rent to pay here. Okay, you can do this business at home, wherever you are, as long as you have your mobile phone, laptop, and internet. I don't have any employees to maintain na kailangan ko sahuran para mag-trade sa akin, so wala pong ganon. You don't have to pay any electricity bill, no, na mataas. Here in forex trading, you don't have any inventories to maintain. And no, ito yung good news, no? There's no competition here. And right now in the Philippines, this is tax-free. When you make money in trading, so you don't have to pay the taxes. It's optional if you want to declare. So minimum age, no, 18 years old as long as you have a valid ID. Minimum deposit as low as $50 and minimum withdrawal as low as $50, or that's around 2,500 pesos. You can start trading already. So this can be done by anybody. And this is an international business trading. So when you go to another country, there's also forex trading happening.
I hope you've learned something about this video. If you want to keep posted on our Forex updates, just like and follow us on our social media platforms. That's Lexus Forex Automated Trading on Facebook, Lexus Auto Trading on Instagram. Visit us at lexusfx.autotrader or contact us at these numbers. And if you like the content of this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's the Passive Forex Trader, and make sure to click the ring button to get notified.
So forex simply means foreign exchange. Okay, yung nakikita po natin na money changer. Alright? And sa bangko, no, once you pumunta ka sa bank, sa entrance pa lang, meron pong dollar rate. Lagi po yan, meron pong dollar rate. Okay, so forex, hindi po yan scam, no? Talagang, ano to yun, trading po to eh. Kasi yung iba, nadala na po sa scam. Kasi nga daw po forex. Okay, so i-discuss po natin yan later, educate kayo, no? Ano yun, bakit sila na scam? Or ako rin, nakapag-participate rin ako sa scam. Okay, kasi I love investing, I love multiplying my money. So, open-minded ako pag may opportunity. I take risk. So, doon sa risk na yun, siyempre, may mga bad investments. So, mga bangko and large forex brokers are the ones who make most of the movements in the market. Bakit po gumagalaw yung presyo ng euro? Bakit gumagalaw ang presyo ng dollar? Are because of these banks and large forex brokers. Okay? Sila po yung may perang malalaki, no? Para i-move yung market. Tayo po na yung pera natin, hindi po yan nakakapag-move ng market. Okay? Kasi we are very small traders, no? We're just trading few amount of dollars in the market. Pero sila is millions to billions of US dollar. Kasi po, this market is more than 5 trillion daily transaction. Trading volume po dito is more than 5 trillion. So ganun po kalaki yung market. So we are considered as the largest and most liquid market in the world. Largest because more than 5 trillion tayo. We already beat yung stock exchange ng New York, Tokyo, tsaka London. Even the Philippine Stock Exchange, napakaliit lang po niyan. So most liquid. Bakit liquid po? No? When you invest, no? Yun po yung minsan inaano natin. Ako, pag nag-invest ako dyan, makukuha ko ba agad yung pera ko? Yun po yung laging tanong eh. Mapupull out ko ba or mawi-withdraw ko ba? Once you buy a property, mabebenta ko ba yung property na yan once I buy it this year? Can I sell it right away next year? Kasi kung hindi, paano na hindi babalik yung pera ko, right? Yan po. Pag liquid, ibig sabihin, mababalik yung pera mo agad or mawi-withdraw mo. Okay, so yan po na sa investments, no? Yan po yung mga natin, kailan ba ang balik puhunan, no? Kailan ako makaka-ROI? Ganun po yung niyan. Lagi po tinatanong natin bago tayo nag-invest. So dito po, pwede po natin i-pull out yung pera natin anytime. Kung hindi mo gusto yung trading. Kasi hindi naman po lahat is qualified to become a Forex trader. Hindi po. Okay? Kasi out of ilang milyon na po yung Pilipino, wala naman pong 1% ang Forex trader. So dahil doon, marami pong mahirap. Kasi walang ganong trader eh. Okay? Wala pong ganong nagtitrade. So marami pong mahirap sa Pilipinas. Wala pong ganong negosyante sa Pilipinas. Puro empleyado lang. Makaramihan nag-employ lang po, right? Wala pong ganong entrepreneur, wala pong ganong negosyante. Usually, ibang lahi, mga Chinese o kaya ibang lahi, mga Amerikano, yung may-ari ng company. Hindi po Pilipino. Sad to say, no? Na ganun po dito sa atin. Karamihan po is more on employment lang po. Doon, single income lang sila nagre-rely. Hindi po siya masama, no? Yun nga lang, parang yun na po yung culture. No? Mag-aral ka, magtrabaho, or pag nagnegosyo sila, ang hirap po nun dahil hindi po sa nila naturuan paano magnegosyo, is nalulugi kasi hindi rin po lahat qualified sa business. So, parehas din po dito, hindi po lahat ng tao qualified maging forex trader. Okay? So, hindi ko po kayo dito ni inaanya o pinapuwersa na mag-trade ng forex, hindi po. Okay, so people are coming in, so let's start. No? And this is recorded naman. And I'll post this tomorrow, upload it the YouTube channel. Are there any foreigners so that we can speak in English or everybody Filipino? Kasi kung nandyan po kayo, no, kindly type in your location. Where are you from? I'm here in San Fernando, Pampanga. So I'm based here. Where are you listening from or viewing from? Kindly chat lang po in the chat box. Tupi. Where is Tupi, Miss Lilibet? Where is Tupi? Ay, meron tayong ano dito, taga Baguio. South Cotabato. Diyan po ba yung sa Marble, sa ano, Jensan? Malapit po ba kayo doon? Welcome po, no? Welcome to our free Forex webinar so that you will be educated, no? Free lang po to for education. Kasi po, yung mga sinasabi po dito, wala po to sa eskwelahan or hindi po tinuro sa school. Okay? Hi po, Miss Josephine from Cavite. And hi, ayan, malapit nga po doon sa mga Jensan, no? Dati kasi dyan po ako parati. Welcome po, welcome. So again, welcome to our series of Forex Trading for Beginners. I am your Forex educator, Alexander Uy. So today is May 8, okay? 5th of the month na po ng 2021. Malapit na po tayo magkalahati ng taon. So my mission is to educate people how to use software to trade. Alam niyo po ba yung software na download, ini-install sa laptop or sa PC? Software po like Microsoft Office, diba? Yan po yung mga Windows software application. Ngayon po, high-tech na, hindi na po gaano or karamihan ang nagtitrade automated o robot na, no? Yung mga strategy natin sa manual trading ay ginawang robot. Sobrang dami po niyan. Kaya po, nandito po ako para magturo paano ba ito gamitin. And I want to be the leading education in automated trading. So, ang kaibahan ko po sa ibang Forex school or Forex education academy is that most of them only purely in manual trading. Nasakit mo na yung ulo mo, kaka-analyze ng chart, ang dami mong oras na kailangan ipundar, no, sa education mo pag manual trading. Kanina po, nag-trade po kami ng software, 2 hours lang po tapos na. No? 3 robot na po yung naturo ko sa 2 oras. So, hindi po siya mahirap. Okay? Basta po porsigido tayo, interesado tayo sa ating ginagawa. And to become a passive trader, no, ibig sabihin, itong forex trading legacy po to. Once natutunan yung gawin, is mapapamana nyo sa anak nyo, or sila rin mapapamana na rin to the next generation. Okay? And maturuan po, no, lalo na dito sa atin, na people need multiple sources of income. Huwag lang po single income like yung work or business. Kailangan po marami po tayong mga investment. Okay? Hindi lang po dito sa Forex. Invest din po kayo sa real estate, no? Sa insurance. Kailangan nyo po yun. Ayan. So, disclaimer muna tayo. And ano ba itong pinapasok mong business? Ano ba pwede pong maging mga pag-iingatan ko bago ko pasukin tong negosyong to? Dito po sa Forex trading, yung pera po natin, tinitrade, no? May risk po yan. Ibig sabihin, pwede pong matalo yung mga pera natin, no? Part ng pera, or pwede rin full amount kapag hindi po kayo nag-ingat. Okay, hindi po ito para sa lahat ng tao kasi nga po, no? High risk, Forex trading is considered as high risk investment. High risk, high reward. So dito niyo po makikita na nadodoble yung pera, isang linggo, isang buwan, no? Ang bilis madoble yung pera. Pero sa kabaliktaran nun, is pwede rin po, no, maglugi po yung pera ng kakatrade kapag hindi kayo nag-ingat. So our presentation is for your education only. So hindi po kayo pinapwersa o inaanya na dapat maglagay kayo ng pera dito, no? Hindi po. Is for your education. Ibig sabihin, i-inform kayo na meron palang mga ganito. At mapag-ipunan ninyo kung hindi pa kayo ready ngayon. Okay? So my company, Lexus Forex Automated Systems, are not liable, no, for any losses na nawala sa trading using software or a strategy. Kasi po yung pera naman ninyo is hindi po namin hawak. Ibig sabihin, nagtuturo lang po kami. Or dito, nagtuturo kami ng mga strategy. Itong strategy na to, low risk to. So ito, okay to para sa mga natatakot mawala yung pera. So mag-low risk ka. So namang investment na to is moderate to high risk. Gusto mo medyo mabilis yung puhunan mo, pero may kaagibat kang risk. I'm not employed with any broker. Hindi po ako empleyado. No? And I'm not liable for the broker obligation. Mamaya na pag-usapan po natin yung Forex broker. Okay, meron kasi dito po tayo nagde-deposit. Doon po ako nagde-deposit sa broker para makapag-trade ako online. Okay, so this is me sa mga hindi pa po nakakilala sa akin or first timer sa ating webinar. Meron po bang first timer? Batiin po natin yung mga first timer natin. Meron po ba? Who are the first timer? Karamihan mga na po umaattend na po dito. Nagiki-update na lang. Okay, kasi po linggo-linggo iba po yung topic, iba rin po yung mga updates. Ayan. So I'm an IT by profession. Graduate po ako ng ComEng. And I'm right now an introducing broker of various Forex broker. Ibig sabihin yung mga broker na to is na-affiliate po ako at nagtuturo mag-trade, no, using their platform. Okay. Experiences ko po, no, I'm a programmer before. That's my first job, software programmer. And then I pursued business. Chinese po ako, kasi yung pamilya ko is really nagbi-business. So na-influensya ako mag-business. I put up pharmacies, bills payment, and also restaurant. Yan po yung mga businesses ko. And Forex trader for an investor for 7 years na. And ang hobby ko ngayon na mag-collect ng mga software. Ang dami pong gaganda kasi ng software. Every now and then may bagong software. Magandang pwedeng pagkakitaan. Okay? Ayan po. And ayan, I'm married with 1 son. Okay, so yung mga taga Mindanao, no, ayan, pumunta po sa Cagayan de Oro, Butuan City. I miss going there before pandemic. Jensan, sa Davao. Ang dami pong mga gustong mag-aral, mag-trade. Ano po sila uhaw po sila sa education, lalo na sa trading, no? Kasi po doon po is kulang yung opportunity. Walang ganon trabaho, mababa yung sahod. So what they can do is they find other opportunities kumita ng pera, no? Kahit sa bahay lang. Okay, profits are better than wages, and wages make you a living, profits will make you fortune. So magkaiba po yan, yung sahod or wages natin. Ako, nag-employed ako, so alam ko po yan, naranasan ko na nagsasahod lang po tayo. Ang profit po, ito po yung makakabili ng inyong mga gusto sa buhay. Makapag-travel, makabili ng bagong sasakyan, karoon ng magandang bahay, no? Yung profit. Ibig sabihin, magbi-business po kayo kahit na risky, no? Business, kahit anong business may risk, right? So pero dito nyo lang po is makukuha yung or makakamit yung mga pangarap natin bilhin or puntahan mga bansa. Mahilig kasi kami mag-travel ni Mrs. Formal education will make you a living, but self-education will make you a fortune. Ibig sabihin nyo, yung ating pinag-aralan sa school, napaka-importante nun, no? Para kailangan po natin maghanap buhay. After we graduated, we look for a job, right? But self-education will make you a fortune. Ibig sabihin, yung mga informasyon na wala po sa school, ito po yung pwede pong pwede kayong tawag dito, umasenso, no? Or kumita ng malaki. Okay? Like cryptocurrency trading, forex trading, hindi po ito tinuturo sa school. Ito po yung natutunan ko, no? During my sa online nakita ko, may nagtuturo, no? I grab that opportunity, mag-enroll kahit mahal. Mahal po yung mga trading education, mahal po. Ayan. Knowledge is power and knowledge is money. No? Ibig sabihin, kung wala ka pong knowledge, hindi ka magkakapera sa panahon ngayon. Kailangan madiskarte ka eh. Okay? Yung mga wisdom na nare-receive natin or yung mga parents natin, hanggang dyan lang yung alam nila. Dapat na mag-level up ka. Yung mga hindi po alam ng parents mo na kailangan mo hanapin po yun. Okay? Knowledge is money. Kung maaga mo nalaman yung informasyon at nag-take action ka, is pwede ka magkapera, no? Unlike kapag pinahuli mo or huli mo na nalaman. Naku, may ganyan pala. Sana dyan ko na lang nilagay yung pera ko, hindi na lang dun sa kabila. Marami pong ganyan. Sana hindi na ako nag-risk doon sa mga fixed na investment kasi scam pala sila. Sana ito na lang totoong trading. Meron pala. Okay? So, and then itong rat race na, ang dami po na paikot-ikot lang yung buhay nila, kakatrabaho, kakabayad ng utang. No? Yung banking system natin is tumuturo kasi niyan tayong mangutang. Okay? Hindi mag-invest, mangutang. Punta ko sa bangko, pera ka credit card, housing loan, car loan, no? At kung ano pa. Pero bihira po nila sabihin na, mag-invest ka. Bihira po. Ayan po, no? Para ma-educate kayo ng mind sharing kasi tayo. Kung ano ba yung dating alam natin. No? Pagiging empleyado, okay, fixed income, business owner, kung may puhunan ka. Forex trader, may puhunan ka, pero hindi sobrang laki. Forex introducer, wala kang puhunan, pero pwede kang kumita. Yan po yung aking inaano ngayon na mag-forex trading ka, at the same time, maging introducer ka rin kahit papano. Okay? Kasi po, alam natin, ang business up and down. May buwan na may kita, may buwan na wala. Pag introducer ka, at least kahit papano, meron kang stable na income. At hindi mo to kailangan trabawin or araw-araw mong gawin. Okay? Kapag po gusto niyo maging forex introducer, i-PM niyo po ako. Okay? Kasi meron po yung mga interview or proseso. Okay? Wala pong puhunan pagiging forex introducer. So yan, naghahanap po ako ng mga forex introducer. And then, ayan po, no? Sa business, kung nakita nyo yung income, akyat baba. Ganun din sa forex trading. Minsan negative pa. No? Sa business kasi siya eh. Sa business at forex trading, parehas lang po yan. No? Yan po yung parehas lang pala. Pero dito sa pagiging forex trader, wala akong empleyado. Wala akong binabayarang upa sa negosyo ko. No? At wala akong inventaryo na kailangan bantayan. Baka manakawan ako. Wala po. It's only me and I have to decide where to put it. Ganun lang po kasimple ang pagiging trader. Pera ko, saka saan ko ilalagay. Ganun lang. Hindi po mahirap. Okay, so right now, I'm gonna teach you about Forex indicator. Ano ba itong mga sinasabi nilang Forex indicator na ginagamit daw sa trade? No? Ano ba yung itsura niyan? Paano ba yan gamitin? Para may idea po kayo. Ayan. So what is a Forex indicators? So these are mathematical formula that can predict the future price movement. Okay? Kasi dito as a trader, no, we want to know what will happen, no, in the next hour, in the next days, in the next week. Kapag po tama yung prediction natin, okay, o hula natin, kikita tayo ng pera. Okay? So yung pag-predict natin, no, meron po tong basehan. Hindi lang po yung I feel ko buy, I feel ko sell. Hindi po ganon. Meron po tong basehan. Kaya ako nag-buy kasi yung presyo niya nandito na sa baba na or mura na po siya. Kaya ako nag-sell kasi sobrang mahal na nung currency, babagsak na rin yan in the next few days or weeks. Ganon po, may basehan. So yung mga indicator na to will help us predict the future price movement. Hindi po to 100% na kikita ka ng 100%, hindi ka magkakamali, hindi po. Mas mataas lang po yung accuracy mo sa pagiging trader. No, yung mga nakaranas na po mag-manual trading, nahirapan po sila. No? Yung pala, meron po palang mga Forex indicator na pwedeng gamitin. Yung iba nagsisignal pa po yan ng alert. Sasabihin niya, there's a buy opportunity at this price, there's a sell opportunity at this price. Ganun po yan. Software po ito. So ito po yung mga tinuturo ko. No? May mga software indicator na libre, meron din mga indicator na may bayad. Okay? And ito, market indicators are technical analysis in action. Ibig sabihin, purely chart. Okay? Kung ano po yung chart, yung movement sa chart, up and down, yun lang po ina-analyze niya. Hindi niya po alam kung ano po yung nangyayari doon sa bansa na yun. Kunyari, US dollar. Kung ano po nangyari sa US dollar, nagkaroon ba ng bad news or good news, hindi po alam ng indicator yon, no? Kasi fundamental po yun, fundamental analysis. So, Forex indicators are 100% technical analysis. Okay, kaya po, hindi po siya perfect. Kailangan mo sama-samahan ng fundamental. Magbasa ka ng news, mag-watch ka ng mga Bloomberg, mga CNN, yung mga business news. Babagsak pa dollar, tataas ba in the next few months or weeks? Ganun po dito. Okay? And yung results ng indicator are calculated, no? Okay? Depende dun sa gumawa ng software na yun. Ayan. So technical analysis, ano ba yun? This is a forecasting of price movement based on the data on its behavior in the past. Diba? Kasi we are predicting the price movement in the future. In Bitcoin, tataas pa ba? O babagsak na? Okay, we need technical analysis to back up, no, our prediction. Ganun na po yun. Anong technical analysis? Mag-charting ka. Yun po, mag-drawing ka ng mga lines, gagamit ka ng mga indicator. Ayan, no? There are a lot of Forex indicators. Ito po yung mga, yung mga traditional indicator. Trend indicators, oscillators, volume indicator, or volume. No? And Bill Williams. Ngayon po, sobrang dami na po. No? Nag-ano na po sila. Nag-upgrade na. Depende na po doon sa gumawa ng indicator na may sarili-sarili silang pangalan. No? Ito po ng mga luma, no? Mga noon wala pang software, ito po yung gamit nila. Okay? So, siyempre kailangan alamin natin yung mga basic indicator. So, meron po tayong i-watch, no? YouTube, teaching about bollinger bands. This is a basic indicator. Free lang po to sa MetaTrader. Okay? So, dito ay nagturo dito si Mr. Justin of Fullerton Markets, na broker. Hi, good evening, Arlie. Okay, panoorin po natin to bollinger band indicator.
Okay. Oops. All right, let's begin. Hello, everybody. My name's Justin, Business Development Manager here at Fullerton Markets. And today I have a special class on Bollinger Bands as an indicator. All right. So Bollinger Bands. I'm sure some of you guys have heard, have heard of this before. right? BB, Bollinger Bands. I'm sure if you guys have ever seen any trading setups of other traders who like to use indicators, you might have seen the Bollinger Bands in action, all right? But for those of you who have never seen Bollinger Bands ever, well, let me show you what they look like. Yes, all right. So friends, this is the Bollinger Band, okay? Take a good moment to have a look at it, all right? So, what is so special about the Bollinger Band? Well, the Bollinger Band was created by John Bollinger many years ago. He is a very well-known trader, and at the same time, he created the Bollinger Bands because there was something he wanted to help people know, all right? And what he wanted them to know was overbought and oversold levels, all right? Now, what do we mean by overbought or oversold? All right, just from the two words, over and bought, or oversold, meaning too many, all right? So when something is known as overbought, that means the people or the players in the market have been buying this certain currency, this certain commodity, and we are in an area where people have been buying it quite a lot, meaning there is a possibility for prices to start moving downwards or for prices to stop moving upwards, all right? When we say overbought, too many people have bought and now people might be looking to sell, all right? The same thing is true with the inverse. If something is oversold, it means people have been selling this certain currency or this certain commodity, and people might be looking for an entry to buy, all right? An entry, a possible area where they can enter a long position or a buy position, all right? Bollinger Bands tell us the oversold and the overbought levels, as well as having a moving average in the center, all right? So the top part represents the overbought, the bottom part represents the oversold, all right? We'll learn more about that in just a bit, all right? So Bollinger Bands are technical indicators defined by an SMA, a simple moving average, with two standard deviation bands, all right? So the upper band indicates when it's overbought and the lower band indicates when it's oversold. All right, so looking at the chart, we are on the euro dollar on the weekly, all right? As you can see, there are three lines here, all right? The top, the middle, and the bottom, okay? The top line or the top band, all right? This represents the overbought, or this tells you that, prices have been, people have been buying this price for quite a long time, have been buying this certain currency, this certain commodity, all right? So you have to watch out for these levels. And then underneath, we have the oversold levels, all right? These are indicators that will help you when you trade, all right? So to give you guys an idea of how you could possibly use this, all right? Imagine you already have a trading strategy, all right? You have a strategy that tells you when it's time to buy, when it's time to sell. What if, for example, you have a signal to buy, okay? But you're not entirely sure if prices will continue moving upwards anymore. If, for example, you are coming out of a, let's say, 10-day bull run, for example, a 10-day bull run. So over the past 10 days, prices have been climbing higher and higher and higher, all right? And let's say you've made quite a lot of money, buying each and every time there was perhaps a breakout. How sure are you that the prices will continue to move higher, okay? Well, using the Bollinger Bands, we can then more or less see if there is room for prices to move higher, or if people are already starting to feel that prices have moved high enough and we could possibly enter a short, all right? So if you have this information available, you might not want to enter your trade anymore. You might not want to enter your long position. You might actually want to look for a short position, okay? So this is just an example of the application of the Bollinger Bands, all right? I have many more in store for you guys, all right? So how do we actually equip the Bollinger Bands on our MT4, okay? There are two ways, all right? The first is by looking to the upper left. You'll see there a button, file view. Let's select insert, all right? select indicators, go to trend, and click the Bollinger Bands. All right, that's the first way. The second way to do this is by actually opening the Navigator tab. All right, that's the one on the bottom right. Same thing, indicators, trend, Bollinger Bands. All right, and either way, you will come up to this. All right, so the standard that we use, all right, and a majority of the world uses is a period of 20, apply to close with 2 deviations. Now the color can be whatever color you want, all right? Personal preference, okay? There are many ways for you to use the Bollinger Band, but this is the basic and the most well-known way to use Bollinger Band. So let's just use a period of 20 with 2 standard deviations, and we apply to close, all right? So there are 3 ways to trade with Bollinger Bands. The first is known as the Bollinger Squeeze, all right? Bollinger Squeeze is when the bands come close together, moving towards the moving average, all right? This indicates that there is a period of low volatility and the potential for increase in volatility, all right? Let me show you guys an example. You see this area here where we have drawn a box, right? As you can see, the upper and the lower bands are quite close to the MA, or the middle line, or the moving average, all right? So what does this tell us, all right? It tells us that there is not much movement in the market, all right? There's not a lot of volatility. The market is quiet, all right? The market is quiet. And my friends, if the market is quiet, what is the next possible scenario for the market? Well, the next possible scenario is for the market to become loud, or for there to be great volatility, all right? So how do we use this when we trade? How do we use this when we trade? If, for example, you are looking for a short position, all right? Coming from a Bollinger Squeeze scenario, all right? You could be waiting for drastic movement, all right? You could perhaps take the short position, and you might wait around and see if there will be any, loud movements, all right? When you squeeze something, right? When you squeeze objects, anything elastic really, if you imagine squeezing a rubber ball, right? It will be, it'll be close, it'll be slightly deformed, but once you let go, it pops back to its original shape. The strategies that you use to enter or exit a position. Rather, though they are very powerful on their own, right? They are very powerful on their own. They are even more powerful when you add them to certain trading strategies, all right? So whatever trading setup that you have, whether or not you're using Fibonacci, whether or not you're using MAs, you're using naked trading, you're relying on candlestick patterns, all right? If you use these, you could add the Bollinger Band to give you an idea of where the market could be, or how the market could react within the next few candles, the next few days, all right? And then you can act accordingly, all right? So this is the Bollinger Squeeze. When the upper and lower bands move towards the center and things become quiet, it will be ranging for a while. And this is when you have to prepare yourself to look for any opportunities, because once this breaks, prices will move greatly, all right? And that is your opportunity to make money, all right? So this is the first way to trade the Bollinger Squeeze. The Bollinger Bands, all right? Through the Bollinger Squeeze. All right, here is another example, all right? When the market is trending, all right? As you can see here on the left, this is what I mean by markets become a bit loud, all right? This is the squeeze. As you can see, the top band and the lower band are quite close to the MA, while over here, the upper band and the lower band are significantly, they're a bit further away, all right? So this is a period of great volatility here. After this period of volatility, we are followed by a period of low volatility. That is why the Bollinger Bands are quite close to the moving average at the center, okay? So imagine perhaps entering a short position up here when you see that prices are oversold, all right? That's just an example. Let's move on. All right, this is the Bollinger expansion, opposite of the Bollinger Squeeze, all right? Bollinger expansion is when the bands move away from the moving average. This indicates a period of high volatility and a potential for decrease in volatility, all right? Or this is an area where you can possibly exit, okay? So, all right, earlier we were talking about the squeeze, now we're talking about the expansion, okay? Once there is an expansion in the Bollinger Bands, all right, the next step would be the squeeze. Once again, it's just a cycle: squeeze, expand, all right? So if you are, all right, if you already have your position open, all right, you've managed to ride the expansion, you should be looking out for, you should be looking out for times when the Bollinger will start squeezing once again, all right, which of course follows an expansion. That is when you could possibly exit your position, all right? So the Bollinger squeeze is a good opportunity for us to enter a position because we are ready, we are waiting for volatility in the market. While the Bollinger expansion is telling us that, hey, prices have been moving for quite a while, there was a lot of volatility, we might be going back to quieter times, so maybe you should exit your trade. All right, you should close your positions. Or perhaps you might not want to take any positions as of now. All right, so those were the two ways. This is the third way, all right, as a breakout strategy, all right? One of the strategies to trade with Bollinger Bands is to take moments when low volatility increases to high volatility with a breakout strategy, all right? So whatever breakout strategy you have there, support and resistance, MAs, you can couple them with the Bollinger Bands, all right? So this is an example, all right? So from this period, as you can see here, this was a very short squeeze and another expansion, followed by squeeze, another expansion, squeeze, and another expansion, all right? So, ladies and gentlemen, that is it for me. My name is Justin, Business Development Manager here at Fullerton Markets. I hope you guys enjoyed our class, and I look forward to seeing you all in our other classes. Thank you all, and goodbye.
Okay? Sino po yung naka-appreciate doon sa narinig po nila, nakita nila? As a Forex trader, no, ito yung music sa amin. Yung pakikinig sa bawat Forex trader, magturo. That's our music. So, pag kayo ay naaliw doon sa discussion niya, no, feeling ko meron kayong pusong trader or Forex trading. Pero kung kayo ay na-board or kaya, naku, hindi ko maintindihan or ayaw ko yung nakikita mo, no? Baka hindi ka maging Forex trader, investor ka siguro, no? Ayaw mo kasi yung mag-a-analyze pa. Hindi ko po yan kaya. Okay? Oo, yan, no? Si Sir Romel, no? May pusong trader. Ibig sabihin, yung pinakinggan niya kanina, no? Music yun para sa kanya. Nag-enjoy po. Ayan, no? Si Sir Anthony nag-enjoy din siya. Yan yung mga pusong trader. Kaya yung mga baguhan natin dito, no? Alam niyo po yung ikakaharap mo pag naging Forex trader ka. Wala kang sawa sa pakakinig, no, ng mga strategy. Linggo-linggo meron akong inaabangan sa YouTube na Forex trader. Nakikinig ako lagi, every week. Yes, very basic po yan, Bollinger Band, no? At low risk po yan. Ibig sabihin, counting trades ka lang dyan. Bagay po yan sa mga baguhan. Okay, let's go back to our presentation. Okay, let's go to the Forex broker. It's very important to know where you place your money and what platform are you trading with. And what you should look out for, no? Turuan ko po kayo. Ayan, so we're using, no? Ngayon we're using Hot Forex. This is a multi-regulated Forex broker. When you say multi-regulated, ibig sabihin, marami po siyang bansa, no, na rehistrado sa financial institution. Ibig sabihin, sa mga SEC. Sa Philippines, ang alam po natin SEC, di ba? Lalo na yung mga investment, ganyan. Okay? So, multi-regulated, meron po siyang 6 na licenses para mag-operate siya as a broker. 6 po si Forex. So, usually, nandiyan po yan sa baba ng website nila. When someone introduce you to a new broker, or, try nyo naman yung broker namin, minimum deposit, $50 lang, minimum withdrawal, $50 lang, at yung spread namin mababa. So, i-check nyo agad, saan ba kayo regulated? Okay? So, mga matitibay na regulation sa Australia, no? Sa Europe, sa UK, sa Dubai, no? Meron po diyang regulation sa Seychelles, sa St. Vincent. Ayan. Okay? Saka sa Cyprus, Europe. Usually, nasa Cyprus ang mga forex broker kasi tax-free doon. Yan po, may mga ano po kayo. Trivia. Ayan, and also tickmill. 80% no, ng traders dito ay automated trader or gumagamit ng robot. Okay, so ito yung mga pagpipilian nyo. So kung kayo ay purely robot na, no, it might be good to use tickmill. And then ngayon, no, ito po si Fullerton Markets. Kanina, a while ago, Justin, no, nag-share sa inyo ano po yung Bollinger Band. You can also hear him, no, for free kapag po kayo ay nag-sign up dito. Libre po yung training niya. Siya yung head ng Philippines for training. So this Fullerton Markets 5 years na rin po siya. Tickmill also 5 years. Hot Forex is 10 years. Nag-anniversary na po si Hot Forex, no, this year. So Fullerton, 5th year niya na ngayon, birthday niya, no? Birthday niya ngayong buwan. Okay? Question and answer. Meron ba kayong questions about the broker? About Forex? Yung mga baguhan. Wala naman so far. Okay? So, ayan. So today's agenda, maka-update tayo ng mga ating system, mga software systems na ginagamit ng karamihan, no? And provide you techniques and strategies how to multiply your money. Okay? And stress-free and save time. Ibig sabihin, wala nang ganong effort on your side. Yung ako kasi gusto ko yun eh. As an investor, no, na hindi na ako mag-aaral gaano, meron palang magaling na trader eh. Doon na lang ako. Kung ganun po kayo mag-isip, parehas po tayo. No? Hindi na magpapakahirap. Kasi iba, gusto magpakahirap. Hindi. Magiging magaling akong forex trader. Hindi ako magre-rely sa robot, hindi ako magre-rely kahit kanino. Ako magta-trial and error ako. Yung iba po may ganun. Ayan, maganda po, no, si WikiFX. Actually, isa sa marketing nila nag-PM sa akin this week. Sabi ko, ini-invite ko siya sa webinar natin, no, to introduce yung website nila. Mali pala spelling, wikifx.com. Diyan niyo po makita yung mga rating ng mga broker. Alright? Ayan, ito po yung mga robot, no? So may papakita lang ako na, no? May video ba ako about robot? Ayan. Ayan, so ano po ba yung Forex robot? Yung mga binibili kong software na pwede pong pagkakitaan. Itong mga software na to is what we call expert advisor or EA. Pag may nag-offer po sa inyo, no, we have an EA for Forex trading that can earn you 5 to 10% a month. So, Forex robot yun. So, ito po mga software na to are written in MQL for programming language. Kung gusto nyo gumawa ng robot, kailangan yung pag-aralan yung MQL for programming language. Kasi malaki rin po no ang pwedeng income mo pag naging programmer ka ng robot. Maraming magpapaprogram sa iyo ng robot. So itong mga robot na to, it can analyze multiple currency pairs at the same time. So yun ang nagustuhan ko, no? Kasi pag tao po tayo nag-trade, yung mata natin nakatutok lang sa isang chart. Hindi po natin kaya mag-analyze ng 10 currency pairs at the same time. Kaya nyo ba guys mag-analyze ng at least 4 na chart at the same time? Sa isang mata, analyze mo yung 4 na currency pair. Ang hirap po no? Hindi ka nga makapag-drawing hindi ka patapos sa isa. Wala, hindi po kaya ng tao, no, na mag-analyze ng sabay-sabay. Kunyari, yung sa tindahan mo, may kahera ka, meron kang tagaluto, meron kang tagalinis. Pag robot po, sabay-sabay kaya niya gawin yun. Parang ganun po. Yung ganun yung i-imagine ninyo. So isang task, pero isang system lang yung gagawa. So this software can automatically do the trading on your behalf. Depende sa strategy. Kaya po marami pong robot akong ibibigay or papakita sa inyo. Kasi wala pong the best Forex robot sa mundo. Wala pong ganun. Kailangan po marami po talagang software kayo na kukolektahan. Kasi hindi po lahat ng robot is kikita sa market condition. Kunyari, ngayon, ang market ngayon is COVID market. Okay? Kasi hindi pa ito naranasan in the history of mankind, itong COVID ngayon lang. So, ibig sabihin, hindi mo kayang i-predict yung anong mangyayari bukas kasi COVID nga eh. Bigla mamaya, maraming mamatay sa bukas. Ang laki ng impact nun sa currency. Ang laki po ng impact. So, yun, ganon po, no? So, kailangan po, marami po tayong ginagamit na software. Yan po yung para sa akin. Okay? Marami po tayong dapat gamitin. Okay? Ibig sabihin, Monday to Friday, mag-ooperate po yan automatically. And then, kayo pa rin yung maglalagay kung anong gagawin niya. Kayo yung boss, no? Hindi po yung robot. Kunyari, ito yung gawin mo ngayong araw. Bibigyan mo sila ng task. Itong software na to, ito gawin mo. Itong software na to, itong gawin mo. Ganun po yun. Okay? Can help you trade the Forex market without you analyzing the chart. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo na kailangan mag-analyze. Siya na po yung mag-analyze, siya na po yung mag-execute ng trade. It can make you a profitable trader even as a newbie. Ibig sabihin, kahit baguhan lang kayo, kaya niyong kumita dito ng pera or gumawa ng pera. Yan yung term ko, no? Kaya mo gumawa ng pera on your own using the software. Na hindi po pinaghihirapan. Yung naghirap po nun, yung robot. Siya po yung nag-trade eh. Ayan, appreciate mo yung explanation ko. Yung mga recording ko ng mga webinar, ginawa kong compilation para po ipi-play ko na lang. Galing, no? Okay, so as I said a while ago, kailangan po marami po tayong software na ginagamit. Why? Because every robot has its own strategy and it can work on specific market condition. There will be time or months na hindi po siya profitable. That's the bad news. There will be time or months na hindi po siya profitable. Makikita niyo yan later on. No? So wala pong perfect robot na yung hindi natatalo, ganun. Wala po, no? Minsan, matagal na po, 1 year, 2 years, wala siyang talo. Pero there will become a month na there will be bad times. Ganun po. Hindi mo siya mahinto. You cannot predict yung loss. Why? Bakit kaya, no? Yung mga trader na dito, bakit kaya hindi mo maiwasan yung loss? Ganito yan. Sa buhay, pag nagda-drive ka, na-aksidente ka, may iwasan mo ba yung aksidente? Kaya nga siyang tinawag na aksidente kasi wala pong makapredict o talagang hindi mo siya maiwasan. Yung katabi ko kasing driver kasero, binangga ako. Okay? Kung ikaw, nagda-drive ka na maayos, pero yung mga ibang driver, kasero, na aksidente ka, binangga ka niya. Ganun po yun. Kahit na gaano mo ka-safe, yung ginawa mong strategy, pulido na, pinag-aralan mo na yung market, biglang may time na, bumulusok yung market, pataas, nakasell ka. Talo yung mga position mo. Okay? Accident yan. Tawag ko na aksidente. Wala makapredict nun eh. Okay? Cut loss ka ngayon. Bawasan mo yung losses mo. Okay? So itong mga robot na to is for beginner. Ibig sabihin, pwede po ito sa maliit na puhunan. Ano ba yung maliit na puhunan sa trading? 10,000 pesos. Yan po yung pinakaano. Pag robot, 10,000. Pag manual trading, pwede po kayong mag-start ng $50 or 2,500 or 5,000 pesos. Pero pag robot, I suggest 10K. No? Ayan. So meron po itong 7 robot na ito. So dinidiscuss ko ito ngayong gabi. 2 robot lang i-discuss ko. Si Advanced Scalper at si Prado. Okay, so dito po si Advanced Scalper.
Advanced Scalper is a professional trading robot that has been in development for many years. It uses very advanced exit algorithms and has a built-in spread filter and slippage control algorithms. It is fully customizable to suit the client's needs and offers many setup possibilities. Advanced Scalper is one of the recommended robots that leaves excellent reviews due to its high-performing trades. With this, traders are continuing to patronize the results, providing great stop loss and innovative entries that give decent profit. Not bad for a first-timer, right? This robot has been used for more than 5 years and is still one of the top-performing robots today. When this robot gives value, it lasts through the years. In trading, there will always be dips and rises in the market. However, you do not need to worry since Advanced Scalper EA is programmed to constantly study the changes in the currency exchange rate in order to maximize your profits. Get this Advanced Scalper now and start earning passively. I hope you've learned something about this video. If you want to purchase Advanced Scalper, leave us a message on our social media platforms. That's Lexus Forex Automated Trading on Facebook and Lexus Auto Trading on Instagram. Visit us at lexusfx.autotrader or contact us at these numbers. And if you like the content of this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's the Passive Forex Trader, and make sure to click the ring button to get notified.
So that's about the advanced scalper. So ano po yung result niya, no? Ayan po, discounted price for sale 5,000 pesos only. Napakamura lang. So itong robot na to, no, nag-perform po siya more than 5 years na sa ibang account, no, yung account ng gumawa ng robot na to, more than 5 years na. There will be times o months na negative siya, pero mas marami pa pong positive yung result niya. Ganun lang po sa trading, no, bawi-bawi lang. Pag may loss, hayaan mo lang yung software, no? Hindi ka ma-stress. Okay? Ayan, 5,000 pesos lang siya. So the next is Prado. Prado JPY. Isang currency pair lang tinitrade nito. USD JPY or dollar yen. Napakasimple ng robot na to.
Prado is a safe expert advisor that trades pending orders, stops loss, and takes profit. Its exceptional concept of trading leaves excellent reviews due to its fantastic price that gives excellent results. In backtests, weekend gaps are also often a source of over-optimization because of small changes in entry filters. But for those who are willing to take the risk, Prado might be a good addition. It still receives high praise and good reviews by beginner and experienced traders. This robot has been used for more than a year and is still one of the top performing robots today. If you're a beginner, Prado is suitable for you. Still, above any risk in trading, using this robot will produce excellent results when used correctly. I hope you've learned something about this video. If you want to purchase Prado, leave us a message on our social media platforms. That's Lexus Forex Automated Trading on Facebook and Lexus Auto Trading on Instagram. Visit us at lexusfx.autotrader or contact us at these numbers. And if you like the content of this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's the Passive Forex Trader, and make sure to click the ring button to get notified.
Okay, Prado JPY is trading only the USD versus JPY or Japan. Dollar yen lang po yung tinitrade niya. Napakasimple ng robot. 6,000 pesos lang siya, one time magtatrabaho na sa lifetime. Pwede mo pa ipamana. Galing, no? Kapag po kasi nag-business ka, empleyado mo, sasahuran mo siya monthly. May resulta man o wala. Meron pang 13-month pay. No? Eh, paano pagtabad yung empleyado? Babayaran mo pa rin. Wala ka na tayong magagawa dun. Okay? Pero itong robot na napakasipag, paulit-ulit lang yung gagawin yung nakaprogram sa kanya. Kaya mag-invest kayo sa mga system. So, birthday ni Fuller to Market is celebrating 5 years in Forex broker. Later on, mag-different ka. Okay? So, dahil birthday ni Fullerton ngayong month, no? Yung ating pa-promo na libre yung basic robot, no? Kapag mag-deposit po tayo sa kanya ng $200 or 10,000 pesos. So, yung promo natin para sa free robot, no, yung ating mga basic, kapag gusto nyo i-try si Fullerton. So, yan po yung pa-promo ko for this whole month na until end of the month. So, deposit $200 or 10K. No? Naghang.